So the first thing you want to do is scrub your kitchen, because you're just about ready to destroy it. First thing you want to do is put your tennis shoes on and get some anti-fatigue mats. Also, you need to cut your fingernails. You want short fingernails for this. That's for Augie. Just kidding, where are these? Drink your energy drink. This is one of our cabbages that I'm pretty proud of. They're super heavy. Listen to this stuff crunch when I just cut it off the plant. On my food processor for the cabbage, you want this slicer. It's the bigger one. It's got the bigger holes. And we'll use this side for the carrots. So these are picklet jars. They have this bubbler on top, a vent. Okay, so I start with 2 big handfuls of the cabbage. It's huge. And then 1 tablespoon of salt for that much. You massage it. You don't squeeze it hard. You don't want to break the cellular membrane of the cabbage. Just a little squeeze. Squeeze in the salt. And transfer to your jar. And push it down. Nice and tight. Let's do more. Do two tablespoons. And spread that out. Same thing with the carrots. 2 big handfuls, heaping handfuls. So same thing with the carrots and the salt and the spices, and mash it down, and 2 tablespoons of those spices, and then we'll just keep layering. Next, you want to add some lemon juice on top. This is a really important part. And that was about 1/3 of a cup. Then you put your bubbler in, and the water line. It's up to the water line, it's a little over. And it lets them out. So all of that made 1.5 jars. I have to cut more cabbage and carrots. That also used up all my spices, so I have to make more of those.